What's up, fam? It's your boy Kaya. Alright, cool. Another apocalypse. This time, zombies, great. First rule, move fast. People too scared to leave their houses? Boom! That's free food, free couch, and twice the toilet paper. Next, I took the whole neighborhood. Zombie-free zone. HOA's gone. I'm the HJ now. Home Zombie Authority. Cops showed up. I offered rent-free survival. Now they're guarding the grill and paying me in batteries. Land's overrated. I stole a Navy carrier. Zombies can't swim. I got gardens, gear, and good Wi-Fi. Multiverse luxury, baby. Now I live stream zombie fails, eat hydroponic strawberries, and nap like a king. End of the world? Nah, just Tuesday. Multiverse tip, don't survive, dominate. Next stop, Battle Barberia. Hope they can handle this fur lineup.